Okay, so today we're going to talk about Skype. And this is a tool that you could use to record telephone interviews for a podcast. And Skype is what's called a voice over IP software. It's a free download that you can download from Skype.com. Right now I am on their download page here. Their website will automatically determine what kind of machine you're on, whether it be Mac or Windows, but you can select different operating systems over here. So you download the software and install it on your machine. I have already got it installed on this machine, and once you do install it, I'll show you real quick in my applications folder what the icon looks like. It's right here. So, and then once you launch Skype, it will first ask you to set up an account, and it will come up with a window. I'm going to show you my profile information. Here it is. You'll set up an account name. You'll set up some information, some user information here, passwords, all that kind of fun stuff. It's all pretty simple. Once you have that all set up, then you can start adding contacts to your Skype contact list. This box here is the main Skype box with my contacts. You can add a contact by going down to this plus button and clicking on that. You can enter the Skype name if somebody has a Skype ID already, full name or email address of the person you wish to add. You can also add an ordinary phone number, right? Skype Out is what they call the utility that allows you to use Skype to call landline telephones or cell phone numbers. So you can buy credits through Skype. It's very cheap, but it allows you to make phone calls using your computer to a cell phone or a landline. So when you are ready to make a call, you click on the contact that you're going to call, and then you click on this green button. And Skype not only is for voice over IP, but it's also a video chat software. So if you have a video camera on your computer, then you'll have video chatting as well. Skype does not allow you to record. You need to use a third-party software in order to record your conversation, and that's something that we'll get into in a later tutorial. I'm going to show you how to use a software called Audio Hijack Pro to record your conversation. Let's see, before I make this call, I'm going to call my sister Joyce. Before I do that, I want to make sure that I have the microphone and everything properly set up for Skype. So on a Mac, you'll go to the System Preferences, and you'll go to Sound, and you'll make sure that you have the proper microphone selected, and you want to make sure you have the proper output selected. You also want to make sure you have those same input and outputs selected from within Skype. Now, there is a quick button on the interface when you're making a call to do that. Let's have a look and see really quick if there's a setting right here in here it is. This is under Preferences. If you go to the Skype menu, go to Preferences, it brings us up this window, and you have a whole slew of preferences for Skype. But what you want to do is make sure that your audio is set up to the proper input and output. You want to make sure you have the right video camera set up. See, there's my video. Here I am talking to you using my built-in iSight on this MacBook Pro. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and make this call. Click on my contact. This is my sister Joyce. She's in Belgium right now, so I'm going to make an international call here. Click on the call button. You see this interface comes up, starts ringing.
Hello.
There she is. I'm going to move this window over here. And right now we're using the video chat option of Skype, but you don't necessarily need to to use the video, and you could also record this whole thing as an audio conversation, even though you're using video, and then put that into your podcast. But anyway, so here we are. We're having a conversation. How's it going, Joyce?
Going well.
All right, excellent. Did you have a good day today?
I did, thank you.
What did you have for lunch today?
Mm, Yogurt and fruit and a salad.
All right, excellent. Well, that sounds like an excellent bit of content for our podcast today. So, what I'll do is I'm going to go back and wrap up this tutorial, and I'll call you right back. I promise.
Okay,
So, one more time, sit tight. I'll call you back in a minute.
okay.
See ya.
Bye.
So, anyway, that was our call. I hit the red button to hang up, and our call is done. If you were recording this for a podcast, you could stop the recording there and then bring the recording from your Skype conversation into a software like GarageBand to create your podcast. You could also edit it in GarageBand or Audacity, your software of choice. So that's really all that there is to it as far as Skype goes. And we'll cover in our next tutorial, we'll cover how to use a third-party software such as Audio Hijack Pro to record your Skype conversations. Thanks.